Hey guys, this is how to fix unable to find NVIDIA Control Panel on your Windows 10. So let's get into it and fix this error. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply click on your search icon and then search here for services.msc and then click to open the services app here. And here at this interface you have to just search for NVIDIA Display Container LS. Once you find it, you have to just right click on it and then click on the start. So after starting process, you can see that NVIDIA Control Panel is showing in my case. If still it is not working in your case, then you have to just again right click on this option and then click on the restart. So wait for completing this restarting process, and right after that you have to just again check that if it is showing or not, and you can see that it is showing here. So this was our first method to fix this error. If still you are facing the same issue, then you just need to close this window and now open your browser and then search here for a website which is named as nvidia.com/download/index.aspx. You have to just simply open this website in your browser. So once you are here at this interface, so then click on the product type, and I am using here the GE4. So you have to just select according to your NVIDIA, and in the product series I just select here for GE10 series, and in the product I just select here for GE4 GTX 1050 Ti. So right after that, for the operating system I am using the 64-bit Windows 10. So you have to just select your own operating system. In order to check your operating system, you just need to right click on your this PC, then click on the properties right here. Now you have to just check here your operating system. Like here my operating system is 64-bit. So here you have to just select your operating system. So in the download type you have to just select for game ready driver. Right after that, just click on the search. So after this you will be here at this interface. Here you will find an option of download. Just click on it and wait for completing this download. While downloading it, you have to just minimize this window and then open your control panel. And here you have to just select for the category, and here click on the programs or uninstall a program. So here you have to just right click on the NVIDIA graphic card drivers that have installed here. You have to just simply right click on it and then click on the uninstall. So basically you have to just uninstall all the NVIDIA drivers from here. So once you complete this process, you have to simply close your control panel and then open and check that if the download is completed or not. If downloading is completed, then you have to just simply install this NVIDIA again and your problem will be fixed. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.